This is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show how you can capture and manage screenshots on this device. So, in the beginning, I will show how you can take a screenshot. So, the method you gotta use is to simultaneously press volume, down, and power buttons. Now, as you can see, once the screenshot is taken, this little toolbar appears, and well, you can tap at the screenshot miniature to, start editing your screenshot right away. Simply select what app you would like to edit it with. So I'll go with Gallery, for example. Or actually, you just open the screenshot instead. So this button allows you to create a scroll shot or a full page or a long screenshot. So once again, once you press it, the scrolling starts. And then simply keep pressing this button until you would like for this screenshot to end. Then by tapping at this button here, you are able to start editing your screenshot right away. You can mark it up, you can crop it, do whatever you see fit. Then you can also share your screenshot right after capturing by tapping at this button here. Or you can scan it for text and highlight the text that your screenshot has by tapping at this text icon. Here you have it, as you can clearly see. Now, in order to find all your screenshots, simply open whatever Gallery Explorer app you prefer using, go into Albums or Library or something like that, and you will see that all your screenshots are being automatically saved into their separate screenshots folder. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.